Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you the step by step how to create the hugging video, and it will need your one photo that contains two people there, and we will convert it with AI and create the animation that they are hugging each other. How to do that and how is it possible? So stay tuned guys and let's get into it. So the first step you need to do is install this PixVerse. If you are the user of the Android, don't forget to install it first from the Play Store. Or if you are the user of iPhone or iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And this is the look of the application that I have installed before. Then I will go to the home page. This is the homepage look over here that shows you the creation of all over the user, and this is the template that we will allows us to create some video. And since we would like to create the hugging each other, then we will use this template. And also don't forget to do the login first, so this application will grant you some credit over here. For the new user, they usually gives you or provides you 60 credit first to create the video, and it is all depends on the template that you will use over here. For example, for this hug your love animation or template, you can select it and use template. And after that, I will choose or select the picture. Let's say over here. And as you can see here, this template will use 20 credits. So as you can see before that, there are 80 credit left, and if we will use it to for 20 credits, then the credit left will be 60 credits. So still, since we have a lot of credit to do the creation, then we can generate this video. We can click this create, and it will take you a while to generate this video first. And there are the menu over here, and it will usually show up in the message here or notification here that this video is already to viewed. And let's see the result. And after that, you can download it in the MP4 format. So don't forget to create it by yourself, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video, and bye bye.